Our first task in Power Query is to import a whole bunch of text files from a network folder. Go to the Data tab, New Query, from File, from Folder. When you click OK, you'll see a list of the files in your folder. We'll want to filter these by extension, as we only want to import CSV files. On the next screen, in the first column, Content, click on the double down arrows to examine the file's contents. Notice that we get the name of the file along with the contents. We name our files with the client name and underscore, then the month and year, so we can capture client name on import. We use split column to import the client name automatically by separating the name and date on the first underscore. Then we rename the resulting column Company Name and choose not to import the rest of the file name. Also note that the import didn't recognize transaction date as a date nor the amount as currency. We'll set those manually. We're ready to run the import. For this demo, we're going to import to a table for peace of mind. It takes more space, but we'd like to see our results for now. Note that the company name has come through on each line of our import. We'll use the company name as a tie-in to our Salesforce data. Let's check the network folder and see that we did get all of the files from our folder with only one import step. Know that whenever files get added to this folder later, they'll also get imported automatically. Let's go now and grab customer data directly from Salesforce so that it's always up to date. New query, online service, Salesforce report. We'll also load this table for peace of mind so we can see the results. And here's our Salesforce data. You may have noticed that we were populating a data model as we brought in our data. It's the data model that allows us to associate tables without cumbersome VLOOKUPs. Go to the Power Pivot tab, Manage, and then turn on Diagram View to see the tables in your model. Simply by dragging the account name to company name, you create a relationship between the two tables that allows you to use data from both data sets and reports. As an example, let's create a pivot table based on our workbook's data model. Note that the fields available to be used in the pivot table come from both our text files and our Salesforce report. We'll create a report that shows sales by state from Salesforce and license type from our text files. We'll insert sales in the body and further break down the columns by month. Note that whenever more files are added to the network folder or when Salesforce is updated, this report will update automatically without any further work from you.